once yung bata papasok ng school,
Mm-mm.
their responsibility should not also stop,
Yes.
'di ba? Na just because binigay quote unquote, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Binigay mo na yung anak mo doon sa teacher for
Mm-mm.
them to actually go to school, na hinto na rin yung responsibility mo doon.
True.
So even there, you still discipline them, you still teach them how to be a good student,
Yes, as
diba?
much as possible.
As much as possible. Kasi parang nagko-co-parent kayo.
Yes.
I think that's the
It should be co-parenting from the very first place.
Right.
Kay ang nahitabo man good, the moment na musulod na ang bata sa amoa, and then the parents, of course, magsalig sa amoa. And it's okay nga magsalig ang parents sa amoa. But, if sobra ra pug salig si parents, dili na mag-coincide si parents o si teacher. Kay ni ana naman good nga, unsa may natun-an nimo sa eskwelahan ka na imong mga natun-an. And then mo ana na pud si teacher nga, unsa may natun-an nimo sa inyong balay? Kana
Okay.
na lang pud imong natun-an.
Okay,
So lisod jud kaayo siya. It should go hand in hand. That's why right now we are thankful that we have this what we call group chats on FB Messenger, and then we try our best to give feedback